everybody! Today you will discover a simple soil pH test using just 4 common ingredients: soil, water, baking soda, and vinegar. This is perfect for a quick checkup without the time or expense of other methods. All you need to do is gather your soil sample, mix it with water, and use basic kitchen supplies like baking soda and vinegar to estimate your soil's pH level. No fancy equipment or expert knowledge required. This is perfect for a quick test to see if a deeper evaluation is needed. You will need 2 separate cups of soil, 1 cup of water, distilled is best, a half a cup of white vinegar, or 5% apple cider vinegar. From here on out, I'll refer to that as ACV. So to convert 6% ACV, use these measurements: 1.5 tablespoons of water and 6.5 tablespoons of ACV. Last but not least, you will need 1/2 a cup of baking soda. Let's get to it. Before we plant our tomatoes in the grow boxes, I first wanted to test the pH of our compost to make sure, that it wasn't too acidic or alkaline. So I did some research and I'm about to perform a experiment that will give me a rough estimation of the acidity or alkalinity of our homemade compost. It will involve soil, water, apple cider vinegar, where I reduce the acidity to 5% to make sure, because we're substituting from white vinegar since we don't have that on hand, and then some baking soda. I'm going to add just enough water to make the soil muddy. So now I'm going to add the baking soda and watch the reaction. There's a very, very slight fizz. So that means that this soil is definitely not, the compost is definitely not acidic. So I had another cup compost. Right, I'm going to add the ACV, and if the ACV reacts strongly, then I know that we have very alkaline compost. But if it doesn't react strongly, then I think we have the perfect pH. There's definitely a stronger fizz going on, but it's not crazy strong. It's very slight. So I think that's an indication that the compost is a bit more on the alkaline side than the acidic side. However, I would guess based off of the reaction that it is just fine pH levels to grow tomatoes in.